everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this 5-petal flower. For this project I'm using crochet hook 3mm. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this flower I've used crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. So let's get started. We begin with a slip knot, and once you have your slip knot, you need to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Once you have your chain 6, you need to work a slip stitch in the first chain right here. Now we're going to work the next row in this ring. To start the next row, we start with a chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. This will be counted as a first double crochet of this row. Now in this ring you work 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Chain 2. Now in the ring you work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 2 and 3. Chain 2, again 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. You need to do this for a total of 5 times. We've done 3, 1, 2, 3. Now this is the 4th one. 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 2 and 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Now you chain 2 again. To complete the row you need to work a slip stitch into the first chain 3 right here. So you have 5 sets of double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and 5 chain 2 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now for the petals of the flower we are going to work treble crochets. So you need to work a slip stitch in the next stitch to start the row. And now we are going to skip this double crochet, and in the chain space we are going to work 8 treble crochets. Now for a treble crochet you yarn over twice, insert your hook into the chain space, pull up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. That's your first treble crochet. Now you work the second one. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the chain space, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. That's your second treble crochets. You need 8 of this. So now this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now once you have your 8 treble crochets, you need to skip the double crochet here, the first one, and in the next one you work a slip stitch. So you have your first petal. Now the next petal, you are going to skip the next double crochet, and the next petal you're going to work in the chain space. So you finished your slip stitch and you directly work 8 triple crochets in the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Skip the first double crochet here, and in the second one you work a slip stitch. So that is how you work your petals. Now for the next petal, again you're going to skip the double crochet, and in the chain space you will work 8 triple crochets. Continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete the last petal, you need to work a slip stitch in the second double crochet here. You skip the first one, right in the second one you work a slip stitch. You chain 1 and cut your yarn. You had 5 chain spaces, so you will have a total of 5 petals. We've completed working the flower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.